got a leaking toilet. Just a small drip. It's hard to see in there with the camera, but there's definitely water around that gasket. And if we come to this other side, we can see there's water dripping from the bolt. See that water coming down from the bolt? Now I've already tightened this nut and the nut on that side, and you can see those screws rusted out pretty bad. So I'm going to start by swapping out these screws. Valve off. Here's the tank to bolts I will be using. Remove the supply line. No gasket under this nut and washer. That's a no-no. Metal on porcelain is not a good recipe. I would normally replace this flange right here, but there are none in stock at this property. What I'm going to do is just make sure that this nut is tight. It's pretty tight. One bolt, one gasket going into the tank. Don't put these inside the tank. Hand tight, barely. No gap. Hook up the supply line. Both sides are barely hand tight. Turn on the water and check for leaks. Check for any water dripping through. It'd be pretty fast if there's a leak. Check the other side. Give it a flush and check the flange. We are good to go.